Good morning, everybody. Today, I'm going to make cheesecake. I made one yesterday, so I'm just going to keep the ball rolling because I need 2 of them anyway. And it's very simple. It's very simple. It just takes like a whole day. I've never done a cheesecake like this before, so when I did it yesterday, it really was simple and it turned out beautiful. So I'm going to make the crust now because I have something to do during the day, and then I'll finish making the cheesecake tonight. What's up, Mags? Okay, so very simple. Ready? Okay, so there really is a recipe for this, but since I really don't measure, the best way to do this is 1 package graham crackers. 4 tablespoons sugar. You want less sugar, you want no sugar. It's up to you. Let me chop that up. Still some big chunks over here in the back. All right, looks good. Then, 1 stick of butter, melted. I'm going to move you. Spatula, I forgot. So, springboard pan, it's early. Springboard pan, you know, the spring pan. I always line it with aluminum just in case there's leaks, because I haven't in the past. What a mess. Okay, all you do hate wasting stuff. All right, my hands are all washed. And then whatever's extra, I push up on the sides. Actually smells good. Now, last time I was at Ruby's Pantry, oh, oven's ready. So that was preheating to 350 while I was doing this. Last time at Ruby's Pantry, got a couple boxes of vanilla wafers. I could have used those too instead of graham crackers. Sometimes the best things you make are things made with items you already have. Okay. See? Oops. And then up the sides. So I'm going to put this in the oven. It's at 350, 7 minutes. Okay? Let me wash my hands. Pan in the middle of the oven, so the rack is in the middle. 7 minutes. All right, I'll show you what it looks like when I come back when it's done. Okay, so the 7 minutes is up. And then, while I'm gone today, I've got 5 8-ounce packages of cream cheese coming to room temperature and 4 eggs. And I'm gonna finish the cheesecake when I return. And I'll bring you back. All right, so I'm back. Cream cheese. I guess I should take this out. All right, I lost my towel. All right, let's beat this up. Sugar. Okay, 1 1/4 cups of sugar. I usually just pour it, but I don't want to mess. 1 1/4. Half a cup of sour cream. 2 teaspoons about. Gotta get all that cream cheese. All right, my oven's ready, 325. Just checking for lumps. All right, the eggs. 1. Save the shells for around my tomato plant. 2. 3. I don't always beat my eggs ahead of time. But it seems that with this much cream cheese, it's a good idea. I'm going to wait till it's fully incorporated before I do more. So let me see if you can even see that. Not really. Sorry about Maggie. It's okay. Thank you. Let me scrape it one more time. Maggie, no. Maggie, thank you. We're good. I'm good. Maggie, stop. Hey, relax. That didn't work, did it? Yes, Maggie, thank you. Sorry. Well, the neighbor's out. Alright. that's it for the filling, because I have toppings. I have cherries and chocolate. I couldn't find blueberry pie filling at the time. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna let Maggie out. Okay, I put her out, so maybe they can talk to each other outside. All right, now we're gonna pour this into the crust I made earlier. Okay, so this is a lot of batter, and it does fit in there. Okay. Okay, so same thing, center rack, get the bubbles out. 325, 30 minutes. All right, then I'll tell you what the next step is after 30 minutes. Okay, so there's about 30 seconds left. So I'm gonna turn the oven down to 250, and then it's 45 minutes. Never open the oven. This is very different than any other cheesecake I've ever made, but the one I made yesterday looks perfect. Not that my other ones didn't, but this is just very different, okay? No cracks, no nothing in the one yesterday. So if you're afraid about cracks, this might be the one you want to do. Okay, 250, 45 minutes. So the 45 minutes is up. Now you turn off the oven, still keep the door closed, and let it sit there for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, then you can open the door and let it really cool, okay? And I'm gonna show you then when I totally take it out. So now it's gonna sit in there for 30 minutes, oven off, door closed, and then I'm gonna open it and let it really come to room temp for about an hour. And then I'm gonna bring it out and I'll show it to you. All right, so I already transferred it to another pan and it just looks great. So I'm gonna cover it and then I'm gonna save it for, I'm having a graduation party in 2 days. So it'll be perfect. And then where we have cherry pie filling and chocolate syrup that people can put on top. So that's it takes a long time to do, but very easy. All right, I hope you make one and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.